Okay. Vlog tayo, no? About the Department of Health draft ng administrative order nila, no? Regarding national policy on the promotion of healthy diets, no? So, yan yung ating iba-vlog for today. So, I have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, no, to say, no? 4 inputs and 1 mema lang na gustong sabihin. So, number 1 that I want to say, no, is that I am commending their effort to ask the public, no, to ask the stakeholders na related sa nutrition, related sa wellness, for their inputs, comments, and opinions about the draft, no, bago nila i-promote, no, itong administrative order na to. So I do hope, no, na makikinig sila sa input na to. Okay? And para maiayos nila yung administrative order that they are going to promote eventually. Okay? So I commend their effort on that part. So after my inputs and comments, no, after the inputs and comments ng mga stakeholders, sana ayusin nila, no, yung AO. So input number 1, no, before promoting this, tong AO na to, before promoting it, they need to clearly define what a healthy diet is, yung healthy diet. They need to define it. They need to clearly define it because as per them, sodium ang kalaban, sugar ang kalaban, fats ang kalaban, as per them. So, I have been saying this since 2016, no, as the founder of the largest low-carb group here in the Philippines. I've been saying this na hindi asin ang kalaban. I've been saying this since 2016. Hindi asin, hindi sodium ang kalaban per se. Because sodium is an electrolyte. It is something that our bodies need in order to function every single day. We need sodium. We need electrolytes, one of which is sodium. Okay? We have the capability to flush out excess sodium as long as we are healthy. Okay? So if our kidneys are healthy, no, our filtration system in general is healthy, we will be able to flush out excess sodium. Okay? Wag lang OA ang pagkain ng sodium, pero generous amounts of sodium is okay. Mafa-flush out natin siya. So we need to clearly define what a healthy diet is. So it's, in my opinion, it's wrong to say to reduce sodium because we should not be sodium deficient. We should not be electrolyte deficient or else our bodies would fail to properly function. So, right, tama naman yung sinabi nila, no, when it comes to sugar. So, basically, carbohydrates. We are talking about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates or saccharides are basically sugar. So, ang nako-convert ang carbohydrates to sugar. Kaya nga, sinasabi ko paulit-ulit, nasa libro naman nila yan sa Dietary Reference Intakes, sinasabi ko paulit-ulit na carbohydrates is non-essential. Okay? Carbohydrate is non-essential as long as we eat ample amounts of protein or essential amino acids and fats or essential fatty acids as long as we eat protein and fat. Carbohydrate is non-essential. So carbohydrate or saccharide is basically just sugar. So tama yung sinasabi nila to reduce sugar. So pero sa atin sa LCIF, mali para sabihin na i-reduce ang sodium kasi reduce na nga ang sodium eh. Okay? Reduce na eh. So mali yung reduce sodium, tama yung reduce sugar. Now, to reduce fats, it's too simplistic to say na reduce fats because there are essential fats. Okay? merong fats na dapat natin kinokonsumo at merong fats na hindi natin dapat kinokonsumo. So, yung fats na hindi natin kinokonsumo, kaya I'm saying that it's too simplistic to say to reduce fats. Yung fats na hindi natin dapat kinokonsumo ay yung mga vegetable oil, such as canola, sunflower, at kung ano pang mga industrial oil dyan. Yun, dapat natin iwasan yan. Yung mga may trans fat, no, yung mga may PUFA, and the likes. So, it's too simplistic to say na to reduce fats. Now, input number 2. Okay? Input number 2. Clarify the objectives of the AO. We need to clarify the objectives. Okay? It should, kapag binasa mo kasi objectives, hindi maganda eh. The objective of the AO should be to lower non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, chronic respiratory disease, diabetes, cancer, etc. Yung mga binanggit nila, no? So how do we lower, okay? How do we decrease the number of NCDs? Via healthy diet. Kasi yun nga yung POP modifiable risk factor. Yung pwede nating magalaw, pwede nating maayos. Now, page 1, lines 42 to 44. The issue is not availability, but rather illiteracy about nutrition. Case in point, the DOH chief at the moment is still overweight. Visibly, we can see that he is still overweight despite the availability of their so-called healthy diet. Andiyan naman eh, available naman, nabibili naman niya eh. 'Di ba? Kaya niyang bilhin. And yet, he is still overweight. So it's not a question of availability. It's a question of illiteracy on what is a healthy diet. Input number 3. Do not promote this AO. Please, I do hope that wag kayong magmadali. Walang karera. Do not promote this AO until healthy diet is clearly defined. Please. Mag-usap muna tayo. Ilang beses ko na kayong tinatag, DOH. Mag-usap muna tayo, LCIF, pati yung concerned doctors and citizens of the Philippines, etc., etc. Mag-usap muna tayo bago kayo gumawa ng AO. Please lang. Okay? Input number 4, accept the low-carb medical textbook that I am trying to donate sa inyo. Ayaw nyo akong pansinin. I'm trying to donate this book, the low-carb medical textbook. I have pledged to donate it sa inyo. Makakatulong yan sa paggawa ng AO na to. Makakatulong yan para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung healthy diet. Makakatulong yan para yung DOH chief mismo would become healthier, visibly, aesthetically speaking. Makakatulong yan para mapababa ang mga NCDs such as CVD, CRP, or chronic respiratory disease, diabetes, cancer, at kung ano-ano pa. Yung mga dinadialysis, hypertension, obesity, blah, blah, blah. Makakatulong yan libro na yan. So I hope after this video, you will contact me and you will say, sige nga, Dave, amin na yung libro na pinapledge mo. So after this video, after the text that I'm going to send to you, doon sa link na sinabi niyong isend yung aming mga opinion, aming mga komento, aming mga inputs, sana, you contact me so that I can endorse this officially sa inyo. Okay? So, these are basically my inputs and comments and opinions about the national policy on the promotion of healthy diets na draft nyo. I do hope na nakatulong to somehow. Okay?